strategic marketing process. Strategic marketing is a process of planning, developing, and implementing maneuvers to obtain a competitive edge in your chosen niche. Having a marketing process in place helps you set measurable goals, minimize risks, track your progress, and revise and revisit whenever needed. Now let's learn about how to create a strategic marketing process. It involves analyzing your market, identifying your customers' requirements, and developing a set of marketing tactics that work for your target market. Creating this process entails 5 steps as follows. Number 1. State the mission of your company. Number 2. Analyze your market. Number 3. Devise a marketing plan. Number 4. Customize a marketing mix. Number 5. Implement, improvise, and iterate. Let's start with step 1, that is, state the mission of your company. Here, you also mention your company's value proportions, goals, and objectives to explain the purpose of your business and how it helps your target customers. Step 2. Analyze your market. This analysis will give you a clear view of the market and help you understand your strengths, weaknesses, and assist you in developing counteractive measures. Before you start writing your strategic marketing process, you need to first study your industry, define your market, and SWOT analysis. Step 3. Devise a marketing plan. Create detailed customer profiles along with specifying their needs and plan how to market your product or services to your target customers. Before you begin developing a marketing plan, it is beneficial to specify your goals and metrics and create a budget that works for you. Step 4. Customize a marketing mix. This is a commonly used marketing strategy tool which involves 4 main tactics called the 4 Ps, which are product, price, promotion, and place. Step 5. Implement, improvise, and iterate. In this stage, put all the above strategies together and launch your strategic marketing process. A strategic marketing process is dynamic and can be revised multiple times whenever required. No matter if you're a startup or an established business, a strategic marketing process can help you reach your desired milestones. Also, you can visit Upmetrics to get 200+ free business plan templates with step-by-step guide on writing a perfect business plan.